quiet waters, grace was found within these walls on sacred ground. At St. Mary's, hearts were made new. In every prayer we felt you. Through gentle hands and voices raised, in faith and love our souls embraced.
At St. Mary's International College we belong, a home of faith, a place where hearts grow strong.
In every step we will lead on. Joy and grace will never drift away.
Baptize in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Baptize in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Baptize in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Baptize in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I feel very renewed, very refreshed since I took the sacrament of baptism and First Holy Communion. After the first baptism, it made me feel like a new person since you're literally just being reborn into the Catholic faith or just born. And then the First Holy Eucharist, it added some push into my life because it actually concealed me into the Catholic faith. In one word, if I would express my feelings, it would be spectacular. And I say this because just from everything that I've been feeling, it's just amazing and refreshing. So we're spectacular.
In one word, if I want to really say how I feel today, I would say I'm really blessed. Today was a really special day for me.
In one word, if I want to say how I really feel, I'll say I'm proud. And I thank St. Mary's International College for giving me this opportunity.
If I had to describe how I feel today in one word, I would say I feel graceful.
One word of how I feel today is new beginning, because I feel renewed inside me.
And the Son, and the Holy Spirit come down upon you, protect you, and remain with you forever.